guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my goodness. So we're playing DOOMSPIRE today, my favorite game. I love tower is not demolished. Oh, whoopsies. How did you get up here? Oh no. Oh, why are they people? Oh, that isn't that bad. Well, you're dead. No, I messed up with my little tricky trick. Oh, they're trying to demolish my building already. Ha ha ha. Oh, I hate you, random person from the other team. I'm gonna try to spawn up. Like you did this one. Ah! I hate you. Ooh, the friend that I do not like. What? You know what? He's dead anyways. So who cares? Oh, she's on my team. Let's go. Go to yellow. Different color. Oh, Shaletsky. Oh, I don't think they know how to do it. Yeah, they don't know how to do it. You gotta have shift lock. I don't think they're using shift lock. I think they aren't. Hi, Shaleti. I think now we have beef. Ah! Get out. Freaking, I forgot you're not Gojo. I forgot what your name was, but like, I think it's Gojo. Why are you still shooting yellow? Yo. Oh, I messed up. Now I sound like a hypocrite. We're in a 1v1, and the team in front of us. Way better as in, like, oh, yeah, I'm like mad now. I'm like mad. Why is it not working? Why am I doing so bad? Oh my god. Oh, we're in red. And let's see what. Oh, we're also in. Oh, Shaletsky! Yes. This freaking monkey, bro. No one likes you. What in the spam jumper? I wasn't spam jumping. This is all I was doing. I was only holding it. It wasn't spam jumping. This is spam jumping. This is spam jumping. Now I'm gonna spam jump. I want to spam jump. Goodness, I am mad. Hi. No, you're ugly, and I think I'm ugly too. There's just different types of ugly. You're just straight up ugly. I have nothing to say to that. You're just straight up ugly. Hello again. So, alright, you're finally dead now. So now we're going to cook. Because if you want to have beef so bad, then we can have beef. Come on. Now I'm cooking. What's up? Haha, get wrecked. Haha, get wrecked. Yo, who's shooting at our base? Oh, blue again, blue. Blue, I'm coming now. A day in my life. Anyone asked me to. And yet I am just happy doing that. Oh my god. Hi. Oh, goodbye. What? Is he cosplaying as Dipper? How did I just realize that? His name is Dipper and everything, and I just realized that? Blue, because I'm getting paranoid now. Alright, this is the last day. We gotta get blue. Yes, aha, we're definitely winning, I'm going to go use the bathroom. Oh, I actually took a screenshot. Be right back. paused it, so I'll just find out. In the recording. Oh, I see red person. Oh, what happened? I think I see someone. Oh, they're destroying our base. Now I can. Dipper, what are you doing, man? Oh, ultra damage to me. Right, Dipper's gone. Did I just get obliterated? Oh man, I gotta watch from here. She's gonna win. Oh my gosh, that 2-time person and 2 times that. Well, excuse me. Excuse me. You're mad at her. You know. Probably gonna be on the ground, but no one's done. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. So, let's see yellow. Oh god. Ah. Oh. On a thread. No, literally. Oh my god. Why is there only... There's only 3 people. I don't even know what the 3rd person is. Someone from blue still on? Everything's like on seesaw right now. Oh god. Well, green's about to be eliminated, so. That's good. So I like the fact we just have this little part right here. We can't even go through it. It's so down. Because I'm good and 2 times good and everyone it's literally a 2 time, but it's not a 2 time, it's just a cultist. Right, we got a spawn cultist here. Do you need help? No, actually, because are you actually in the cult or is that just your avatar? Like, I'm kind of concerned now. I need to get to the highest point of this. You can't even go to the base too. Like, that's what makes me mad. Just fried chicken. Oh, why me? Why? Yes, we win! We win! We win! We win with bread. Literally. Yay! Okay, we're gonna do one more round, special, because it's okay. Watch me cook, guys. This is my favorite map for a lot of reasons. One of them, because it looks pretty. It's really good to play with, and the low gravity is just so good. Like, watch this. Look, I can literally snipe them. Look at that. And they can't even get me. I mean, they can, but it's hard to do. I'm going a little too high. Because of the bounces. Dare touch my base. Come on, guys. Oh no. No, we lost. Alright, bye guys. See you on the next video. Goodbye.